Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for September. It's a very late arrival, as with most of my subscription boxes this month, and there's a few more. There's 3 more left to come, and there's only a couple of more days left of the month. But anyway, this is Plouise, the budget box. This is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs £30 a month, and to the UK it's £1. You can find out shipping to your own country at checkout, but yeah, to the UK it's an extra £1. I'll pop a link to the subscription down below in my description, as well as any offers or anything I can find. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I've been a subscriber to this subscription box for a good couple of months now, I think since March this year, and I'm collecting all the products because I want to do a full face of Plouise for you. So once I've gathered up enough products, I'll be doing that on this channel. I can't wait, I can't wait. I love all the products. The packaging is over the top, but it's so cute. It is really, really cute. I do love it. If you subscribe now, your first box will be sent out to you on the end of September. This is actually an August box, even though I have it in September. It is really confusing. It is really confusing. But it means basically that if you subscribe now, when you receive your box at the end of this month, this isn't what you'll be receiving. You'll be having the following month's box, essentially. But they do have one-off boxes, and if they're still available, you'll be able to see them on their website. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, or you want to learn a little bit more, take a look in my description, but also ask away as well. So yeah, so let's open this up and show you. I have had a sneak peek because I couldn't resist. I was really excited. I love this subscription. I love it. It is pricey. It's the most expensive subscription that I purchased myself, but I do love it. And oh my gosh, these are just beautiful. Hold on. Some months are hit and miss, I've got to be honest. And we have seen, I'm just taking wrapping off, we have seen some boxes where we do have like 4 bronzers or 3 or 4 blushes, which is not great when you've got only 2 or 3 extra products in the box. The main aim of these boxes is to provide makeup artists with a whole toolkit, and so that's why we see duplicates a lot. So bearing that in mind, it's fine. It is fine. 3 eyeshadow palettes here. They're all different though. It's the Love Tapes, and this is Team Bride. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. I haven't actually opened them up properly yet. I've just literally opened up the box and just had a look in. Oh, they're just so cute. But even though the packaging is gimmicky, the products are really, really great. What I've tried so far, yeah, I like those colours. I love the burgundies. Really, really great for my eye shade. I've got hazel. So whenever I wear colours like these, it just makes my eyes look more green, which I love. But yeah, I really do like that. Let's try some on my hand. Go with the Dream Team. Oh yeah, and the I Do Chew. No, I Do Crew. I Do Chew. No relevance to a bride there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So that's the first eyeshadow palette. Then we've got Lady in Charge. Again, same packaging. Ooh, they're similar but different. Hold on. That's the Lady in Charge, and that's the one I showed you first. Let's try. Ooh, oh, that feels so nice. The glittery one at the top there, it just feels like cream. Oh, that is, oh my god, look. Look at that. That is stunning. That is absolutely beautiful. Let's try the other one down there. Mum in a Million. Oh, that is so pretty. Can you see on top? Oh, they are beautiful. They are so pretty. This is Bride to Be then. There. Bride to Be. And yeah, we've got warmer tones there. Okay. Let's try. You can tell what I gravitate towards, can't you? All the glittery ones. Let's try. Oh, look on my knuckle. So nice. That is Dream Come True. Let's try Suit and Tie. Look how pigmented they are. I know it's on my hand, but those glittery, shimmery shades are stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really happy with those. Really happy. And that is not all. We have got some lashes. And this is Cut the Check. There. And pull them out. Woo. There. They are huge. Oh, they're really pretty though. I'd have to cut them. I don't like my lashes all the way over, but yeah, I'd have to cut them down. But I love the wispiness. Yeah, really pretty. Then we've got a Smoochy Lip Pencil. Intense colour, so you can slay all day. In shade, it's a sharpenable pencil. I don't know, what shade is it? Is it XOXO? It doesn't tell me. Yes, I'm assuming it is. I'm assuming it is. There's nothing in it. Yep. Can you tell? It's not a lip colour for me. What I tend to go for. But that's fine. That's what you come to expect, isn't it, in beauty boxes? Not everything is going to be suited for you. And I got another one. This is another one. Smoochy Lip Pencil. Okay. No. Although that is quite pretty. It's more of a copper. Can you see? More of a copper colour. No, I know I wouldn't wear that. I could wear that as an eyeliner. That's quite pretty. I don't know. And then lastly in the box, we've got a base. This is a basic cosmic base. There's 15 mils here. It just says inject flashes of colour. Okay, it's an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow and base. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Definitely a box of tonal shades there. Lipsticks, eyeshadows, pencils, the lot. Yeah, that is really nice. I love that colour. We've got a cosmetic base. We've got some eyelashes. We've got 2 lip pencils. And 3 eyeshadow palettes, Lady in Charge, Team Bride and Bride to Be. I can't tell you what it's worth, but they're always way above the cost of the actual box. Yeah, I'm really chuffed this month. There's some really nice products in there. But yeah, I am going to pass the pencils on though. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? What did you think of it this month compared to previous boxes? Or are you watching this for the first time? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.